In beginners English lesson number 15, there are 90 plus simple sentences. It tells a story which you can practice easily. First, repeat all the sentences again and again. Once you are thorough with them, close the video and start telling the story in your own words. The slides which have colored alphabet are the story and explanation is in the white colored letters. Let us learn to tell a story in simple English. This is the story of the elves and the shoemaker. Many of you said you wanted to hear this story. I mentioned it in a short video on shoemaker and cobbler. You can watch that short video after completing this one. Now listen to the story and repeat each sentence aloud. Once upon a time, there lived a poor shoemaker. A shoemaker is a person who makes shoes with leather. Leather is the skin of animals suitable for making bags, coats, shoes, etc. The shoemaker had a small shop. In this small shop, he made leather shoes. He worked in the shop the whole day. He lived with his wife in a room behind the shop. The shoemaker was an honest and hard-working man. Do you know the meaning of the word honest? It means one who does not cheat others and always tells the truth. What about the word hardworking? One who works with his whole energy and effort is called hardworking. Now the story continues. In spite of all his hard work, the shoemaker was very poor. He did not have enough money to buy leather for making shoes. Unless he made shoes, he could not earn any money. Let us learn what the word earn means. To get money by working is to earn. Continue the story. Without money, he and his wife would have to starve. They would have no food to eat. No one can live without food. One day, the shoemaker saw that he had only a small piece of leather left. With it, he could make only one pair of shoes. He felt very sad. He was worried and did not know what to do. He was so tired that he did not feel like working anymore. He cut the last piece of leather for the last pair of shoes. He left it on his workbench. Then he went to take rest. He thought he would complete the work the next morning. The next morning he was astonished. The leather pieces were not there on the bench. In their place, he saw a beautiful pair of shoes. From where had this perfect pair come? A customer came and quickly bought the pair of shoes. He paid a good price for this excellent pair. The shoemaker was very happy. Now he had enough money to buy more leather. He bought leather for 2 more pairs of shoes. He bought the leather to his shop. He cut it into shape. He decided to make the shoes after a good night's rest. He went to bed early. He got up at dawn to begin his work. Again, there was a great surprise for him in the shop the next morning. 2 attractive pairs of shoes lay ready on the workbench. The shoemaker put these 2 pairs in the shop window. Seeing them, some customers came in. Both pairs were sold quickly at a good price. The shoemaker could buy more leather now. And the more leather he cut, the more pairs of ready shoes he found every morning. Someone was helping him every night by making excellent pairs of shoes. He and his wife were puzzled. Which invisible hands were making the shoes every night? They wanted to solve this mystery about their secret benefactor. Now you see some difficult words in this sentence. The word solve means to find or work out. The word mystery means something not known. The word secret also means unknown. Benefactor is someone who helps and supports. Now let us continue the story. One night, the shoemaker kept some leather on the workbench. He and his wife hid behind a curtain. They wanted to see who came every night to help them. Imagine their surprise when they found 2 little elves arrived there. Elves are magical creatures with pointed ears. The elves came and started making the shoes. The shoemaker and his wife were filled with gratitude. Because of the elves, they became wealthy. Every night, the elves had been helping them. They planned to give the elves something in return. They made 2 sets of tiny, colorful dresses. Also, 2 pairs of shoes for the elves. The next night, the shoemaker did not leave leather pieces. He left the dresses and shoes on the bench. They hid behind the curtain again to see what would happen. As usual, the two elves came at midnight. They found no leather pieces. Instead, there were two sets of colorful dresses and two pairs of shoes of their size. The elves were overjoyed. In great excitement, they put on the colorful dresses and the shoes. They sang and danced all around the shoemaker's shop. Before morning, the elves disappeared. They never came back to the shop again. But the shoemaker and his wife remembered the elves all their lives. The elves had made their life prosperous. That is the story for today. If you like it, put it in the comment box that you want more stories like this. This is from the Grimm's Fairy Tales, children's stories. Very interesting to learn from children's stories. Listen to each sound and word carefully and repeat them. You will find that you become fluent by practicing storytelling. All the best and thank you.